Have you ever wondered how the world's largest aircraft transport their colossal cargo? Meet the Airbus Beluga XL, a flying giant that carries entire airplane wings and other massive components across continents. In this episode, we unveil the secrets behind its creation, from its unique design to the intricate assembly process. All this and more on how it's manufactured. The Beluga XL, a large-bodied aircraft, is a specially modified version of the Airbus A330-200 Freighter. Manufactured by the European aerospace giant Airbus, this behemoth addresses the growing production demands that the existing fleet of 5 Beluga ST aircraft couldn't keep up with back in 2013. Before deciding to develop the Beluga XL, Airbus evaluated several alternatives, including the Antonov AN-124 and AN-225. Boeing C-17, Dreamlifter, and the A400M. These aircraft were considered for their large cargo capacities and operational capabilities. However, Airbus chose to modify one of their own aircraft to ensure full control over design and production. Launched in November 2014, the development and production of the Airbus Beluga XL cost up to €1 billion. This aircraft is assembled at various Airbus facilities across Europe, including factories in Broughton, England, where the wings are made, and Hamburg, Germany, for the fuselage. These components are then reassembled at Airbus's main headquarters in Toulouse, France. The name Beluga is derived from the beluga whale, known for its distinctive forehead bump. Similarly, the Beluga XL features a prominent bump at the front of the aircraft, allowing it to carry oversized cargo. Based on the Airbus A330-200 Freighter, the Beluga XL boasts a lower cockpit, reinforced tail structure, and a new front cargo area. It measures 207 feet in length, has a wingspan of 197 feet, and stands 62 feet tall. This giant aircraft has an empty weight of 125 tons and a maximum takeoff weight of 227 tons. The Beluga XL can carry a payload of up to 51 tons with a range of 4,074 kilometers. The cargo hold has a diameter of 29 feet and a length of 151 feet, making it 5.6 feet wider and 21 feet longer than its predecessor, the Beluga ST. This increase in size provides 30% more cargo volume, crucial for transporting large aircraft components. A fully openable front cargo door allows for easy loading and unloading. The expanded cargo space was installed in 3 months with 8,000 new components. The aircraft's avionics systems have been upgraded, including a fly-by-wire system adapted to the ever-changing center of gravity. This system allows for precise control and stability, essential when transporting heavy and irregularly shaped cargo. In Toulouse, the A330-200F is reassembled with precision. The process begins with joining the front, middle, and rear fuselage sections, using a specialized tool called a jig. This tool ensures the sections are aligned correctly and securely connected. Next, the left and right wings are attached to the fuselage using a wing jig, which aligns the wings and connects the fuel and control systems between the wings and the fuselage. Following the wing assembly, the tail section is attached using another jig called the tail jig. This ensures precise alignment and connection of the flight control systems between the tail and the fuselage.
Okay.
The aircraft's engines, two Rolls-Royce Trent 700 units, each providing a thrust of 316 kN or 71,000 lbf, are then installed on the wings using pylons. The aircraft is then painted into its distinctive livery. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the creation of the Airbus Beluga XL. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of aviation. All this and more on how it's manufactured.